method of survey research is a non-experimental descriptive research method which is one of the quantitative method used for studying of large sample. In a survey research, the researcher collects data with the help of standardized questionnaires or interviews which is administered on a sample of respondents from a population. The method of survey research is one of the techniques of applied social research which can be helpful in collection of data both through direct, such as direct face-to-face interview, and indirect observation, such as opinions on library services of an institute. Based on the selection of an instrument, the method of data collection, the researcher can use qualitative, example, ask open-ended questions. Quantitative, example, use forced choice questions. Constructing a survey research. In the process of conducting a survey research, the researcher needs to design a framework of the instruments and processes of data collection on the basis of which the overall research would be done. The researcher needs to decide the content, format, and wordings that would be included in the survey instruments. The researcher selects any one of the kinds of instruments, that is questionnaire or interview. They needs to frame questions. The question should be so worded that there is clarity in what is being asked and should have the capability of electing responses. The survey instruments are the backbone of research, and that is why the statements or the questions of the researcher should be short and specific as well. Once the framework of the process of research is decided, then the researcher constructs the survey instrument by framing questions. While writing the questions for the survey, the researcher needs to take care of few basic aspects. 1. Scope and objectives of the question. 2. Deciding the content. 3. Selecting the most convenient format of response. Example, Likert scale and multiple choice questions. 4. Deciding on how to frame. 5. The questions that would elicit the required response. Formatting the series of questions to bring out the best response and favorable conditions for the survey. The researcher needs to be very sensitive while preparing the questions and take full care of the moral values and ethics of the respondents to get the best results. Different types of survey research: cross-sectional surveys and longitudinal surveys. Cross-sectional survey. Cross-sectional surveys are used by the researcher when they want to collect data from varied or different types of groups at a single time in terms of age, sex, group, nation, tribes, and so on. An example, a study on the effect of socialization of children of different age groups of a particular country. This type of survey is less time consuming and economical as well. Longitudinal survey. This type of research is used only when the subject wants to study the same sample for a longer period of time. Such longitudinal studies may be used to study behavioral changes, attitude changes, religious effects. Any event or practice that may have a long time effect on the selected sample or population. There are three main types of longitudinal studies which help the researcher to analyze the long-term effects of the selected sample. Number 1, trend studies. Number 2, cohort studies. 3, panel studies. Trend studies. When the researcher needs to analyze a trend of a phenomena in a population, they conduct trend studies. The sample of the selected population might not be the same as over a period of time. They might have shifted or not available for various reasons, but they belong to the same population. This selected population is sampled and examined regularly. Since it is a type of longitudinal research, it may not be started as well as ended by just one researcher or research project. An example of trend studies may be a yearly survey of number of graduates actively using books and journals from the library of a university. Cohort study. The focus of this type of longitudinal study is also on a particular population which is sampled and studied more than once within a time gap. The example of this study can be an investigation of the number of graduates of the year 2009 who have been actively using the library and 4 years later. The researcher may examine the same issue on another sample of the 2009 graduates and investigate whether after the time gap has there been any difference in the attitude towards the importance of the library within the members of the same class. Panel studies. The researcher in a panel study uses the same panel of people every time and that sample is called as panel. This study is used to investigate the changes in attitudes, behavior or practices of the same panel within a period of time. They are more specific and focused. The researcher studies a particular change in the attitude, behavior, belief or practice of the same groups. Examples of panel studies. A researcher may study the library usage trends amongst the graduate students and ask them questions related to their frequency of library usage habits. Thereafter, the researcher may ask the same group or panel similar questions and also the reasons behind the changes in their habits if it has occurred. The study is difficult enough as it faces a greater trend of attribution rate, difficulty in availability of the same people. Difficulties and issues of survey research. If the researcher plans to go for a survey research, there are certain issues which they might have to understand and take full care. Number 1. Issues on selecting the type of survey. One of the most critical decisions for a researcher is to select the kind of survey that might be most appropriate or suitable for his or her study. The researcher should be aware of the kind of population that would be suitable for the study. They should also be comfortable within the language of the selected population. The researcher should also analyze the geographic restrictions and try to find out which method can be most feasible for a dispersed population. Number 2. Issues on survey instrument. While constructing the survey, the researcher should have full knowledge of the suitability of the questions that would be asked to the respondent. The type of questions, clarity and specificity of the questions as well as the length of the questions are some of the controversial issues within a survey. Bias issues. The researcher's bias and prejudices might have a significant influence on the findings of the survey research. So, they should be fully aware of their bias. Their behavior should be socially desired ones, should not lose track and also should avoid false reports. In such cases, issues of bias is really difficult but essential agenda in a survey research. Fourth issue, administrative issue. The cost, mode of survey, feasibility of the area selected, required time period. There are important aspects which needs to be pre-planned even before the advancement of the research.